In this video, I will show you how to create a Twitch account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is twitch.tv. From here, come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see a purple sign up button. So what you want to do is give that a click. And what that's going to do is bring up a form like this for you to fill in to join Twitch. At this point, what you want to do is select a username. Once you've selected your username, come down and choose a password. Then what you can do is enter your date of birth and phone number. And once that's done, come down and click the sign up button. As you can see, Twitch has now refreshed back onto the homepage and our account is now created. So what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon up here, and from here you can come across to your creator dashboard, your channel, and of course you can click on settings and content tuning and things like that and change all your settings from here. So that is how to create a Twitch account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.